Construction claims consultants versus construction law firms. Which one is better for large infrastructure projects? You won't believe how often major infrastructure projects stall over disputes. Most people assume legal teams alone can resolve every contract or delay issue, but the truth is more nuanced. Construction claims consultants specialize in analyzing project data, schedules, and budgets to quantify delays, cost overruns, or disputes. For example, if a highway project falls behind schedule due to unforeseen ground conditions, claims consultants assess the impact, calculate losses, and produce reports that form the backbone of negotiation or arbitration. Their expertise lies in technical analysis and expert reporting, which is invaluable for complex multi-party projects. Construction law firms, in contrast, provide legal advice and representation for contracts, disputes, and regulatory compliance. They draft contracts, negotiate settlements, and represent clients in arbitration or court. If a subcontractor disputes a payment, the law firm ensures the contract is enforced and legal remedies are pursued. Their strength is legal strategy and advocacy, rather than detailed technical analysis. The key difference is technical expertise versus legal advocacy. Claims consultants turn project data into actionable insights, while law firms turn those insights into enforceable legal outcomes. For large infrastructure projects, combining both is often essential. Consultants quantify the claim, and lawyers use that evidence to negotiate or litigate effectively. The takeaway is simple: relying solely on legal counsel without technical claims analysis can weaken your position. The surprising truth is that in large-scale projects, success depends on both precise claim evaluation and strategic legal action. By integrating consultants and law firms, project owners and contractors maximize recovery and reduce disputes efficiently.